Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode from the Multi-Tools and Blades channel. Today we're going to have a look at this Schrade Walden Model 906. And for the majority that I've seen on the internet and on YouTube, most of these came with a little shield, a Schrade Walden shield on the side. I'm not sure about the USA, but I know these are quite rare down here in Australia. So we can see it's a copy of a Victorinox officer's knife. So let's have a look at what's normal. We'll start with the cap lifter and large screwdriver. Unfortunately there's a little bit of evidence of corrosion here. It's not too bad. Gives it a bit of character, I guess. It's a little bit thin. There's a little bit of a wobble too. Good snap. Next we have the can opener, which is like a Wenger style claw bill. Again, it's a bit thin, but not really any thinner than a Victorinox would be. Makes me wonder what kind of steel they use on this. It's a little bit too much corrosion. Feels pretty solid though, there's no wobble on this one. So it's a two layer. On the other side we have the knife blades. We'll start with the smaller one, which is a clip point. No, there hasn't been any tang stamps on anything yet. And the clip point pen blade is one of my favourites actually, because I can really choke up on that with my top finger. It's really what the pen knife is all about. Well, to me anyway. And if I had a preference, I'd probably make this pen blade a little bit thinner, like as thin as possible. Then we have our main blade. Can't find the nail nick. That's right, it's down a little bit further. Yeah, it's a bit strange how they put the nail nick down the bottom instead of up the top, like everyone else. And we finally get a glimpse of the identity of this, which is Schrade Walden, New York, USA. And then as we flip it around, we've got the 906 stainless. That's a model 906. And the blade on this is quite beefy. Quite a thick bit of stock. For a main blade, that's probably a really good thing. Grind's a little bit weird though on it. So as we flip it over and have a look at the back, we have the old style reamer, a little bit blunt on the ends, although there's not really much sign of any use. With the all open, we get a good look at those nickel silver liners. This has been put together really well. They were made in the US. Just a bit surprised that the reamer's not that sharp. Opposite the reamer we have the Phillips screwdriver, signs of use on the tip, although we can see that these were machined, not cast. My experience with these middle pivot tools is that there's usually a little bit of play, but this one's pretty good. There's no play in it at all. And now for the infamous can piercer. Some models of these were labelled bottle opener, and other models didn't even have them at all. This is definitely one of those little tools that makes this model very unique. Probably haven't seen anything like this on any other multi-tool or officer's knife or pocket knife. This is as far as it opens. And what this is used for is to punch a large hole in the top of a can, like a can of juice or something like that. Pop one on either end and then you can just drain out the liquid out of the can. I used to do that when I was a kid. I used to get the tins of pineapple out of the pantry, used to pop the holes open, drink the juice and then put the tin in the fridge with all the pineapple in it. It used to drive my mum nuts. But you get exactly the same effect with the can opener. So it's a little bit redundant, and if you're using it as a bottle opener, well, you've also got a bottle opener. So you've got three tools here that you can use as a bottle opener and two tools that can use as a can piercer. Very strange. And lastly, let's talk about the scales. So they're a little red plastic, very similar to Victorinox Solidor. A little bit of shrinkage, but not too much. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Feel free to leave any comments, and I'll catch you all next time.